Today's standard subject social science है चैप्टर 4 है हाउ द ट्रेडर्स बिकम रूलर्स। आए वापस का इन वीडियो में आपको मैं जो व्यू रीजन है वो करवाऊंगी जो आपको करते हैं। द ब्रिटिशर्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी इन इंडिया। द ब्रिटिशर्स कुड नॉट सक्सीड इन डायरेक्ट फाइट इन इंडिया। मोर ओवर Marathas, Mughal king and Nizam were very strong. To defeat them, the Britishers felt the need of making them fight mutually. Therefore, they implemented the policy divide and rule. Number two, the Britishers could not take over during the rule of Maharaja Ranjit Singh in Punjab. In Punjab, Maharaja Ranjit Singh was very powerful ruler. He had developed very good relations with the Europeans. The Britishers could not succeed in exercising the crooked policies in the strong of the Sheikhs. Therefore, they maintained good relations with Maharaja Ranjit Singh and postponed to invade Punjab. Number 3, Lord Dalhousie is called a reformative governor. Answer आएगा when Lord Dalhousie came to India, there were very few administrative employees. He needed more clerks, therefore, to make the administration easier in colleges, he started universities in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. To raise the infrastructure of communication, he started mail and telegraph. To make goods and passengers transport easily, he started railway from Bombay to Thana. He made many social reformative laws and got them executed strictly. Therefore, Lord Dalhousie is called a reformative governor. Next, 4 number, Lord Dalhousie became unpopular among people. Lord Dalhousie wanted to make East India Company unbeatable in India. Therefore, the expanded his rule by victory land confiscation. He implemented annexation policy. He annexed states like Nagpur, Satara, Kanpur and Jhansi, denying the right of adopted son. This enraged kings owing to some reformative acts. Some conservatives were greatly displeased. For the facility of railway, people of India felt that the Britishers wanted to annihilate their culture. For all these reasons, Dalhousie became unpopular among people. Next question, answer the following questions in brief. How were the British benefited by the system of subsidiary alliance? The answer is the kings of small states of India started adopting Lord Wellesley's system of subsidiary alliance one by one, and gradually all of them came under the domination of the Britishers within a very short period, that is 7 years. Lord Wellesley made the British power supreme, and the area larger than their own country came under their rule. With the money of the Indians and through the people of India, they established boundaries of the British power by exploitation. Next, number 2, how did Dalhousie implement annexation policy? Answer आएगा Dalhousie implemented annexation policy in the following way. Annexed states under the pretext of misrule and disorder. Number 2, annexed states bringing the recognition of adopted successors. Next number, attack states by winning territories through battles. Next question number 3, which reforms did Dalhousie do in India? Reform done by Dalhousie in India. Number 1, in 1820 he started railway between Mumbai and Thane. He also started modern mail service. In 1855 he made a law banning child marriages and a law allowing widows to get remarried. In India, he founded universities in Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata to extend the spread of education. Next, one or two sentence question answer. Which state in India got victimized by the system of subsidiary and lines of Wellesley? The answer आएगा निज़ाम, मैसूर, अयोध्या, गायकवाड़, मराठा, etc. States got victimized by the system of subsidiary alliance of Wellesley. Number two, of which policy of the Britishers did the Maratha states fall victim? Maratha state fall victim of divide and rule policy of the Britishers. What is called the system of subsidiary alliance? Not to allow the French to be stronger in India. Wellesley made in a system for the British power to creep in the states of India. This system is known as system of subsidiary alliance. Next question 4. How was the system of subsidiary alliance for the states in India? Answer आएगा the system of subsidiary alliance was like sweet poison for the states in India. Initially, the kings found that by adopting it, they would be protected and they could get help from the Britishers, but later they felt being enslaved. What caused misrule or disorder in states? The states which adopted Wellesley's system of subsidiary alliance started feeling quite secure as they had then no fear of internal or external revolutions. Therefore, they become idle and irresponsible. Their rule deteriorated owing to this kind of attitude among the kings. There was misrule and disorder in states. Next question: which states where the king died sonless fell victim to the annexation policy? Such states where the king died sonless and they fell victim to the annexation policy were Satara, Jhansi, Sambalpur, Jodhpur, Baghal, Udaipur, Karoli, and Nagpur. Number 7. What was the intention of Dalhousie? Dalhousie wanted to reasons with great examples, reasons producing tea, coffee and cotton to take under his control so that he could go for out our good earning to the white traders. This was the intention. Next, number 1. And where did universities start in India? In India, first 3 universities started in Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata in 1857. Next, what did people feel about the reforms brought about by Dalhousie? The facilities railway made service and higher education by Dalhousie started pinching many people. The conservatives felt that the Britishers wanted to extinguish Indian culture and culture. ये आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गए. मैं इतना फॉलोइंग करवा देती हूँ जो आपको करना है. नंबर 1 लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी, 2 रंजीत सिंह, 3 नाना फडणवीस एंड लॉर्ड वेस्ले. तो इसके ऑप्शन है फादर ऑफ सिस्टम ऑफ सब्सिडरी अलायंस. He adopted the system of subsidiary alliance at first. C. Powerful ruler of Punjab. D. He started mail service and railway. He Maratha commander. Number 1 Lord Dalhousie का आएगा D. He started mail service and railway. Number 2 रंजीत सिंह का आएगा C. Powerful ruler of Punjab. Number 3 नाना फडणवीस का आंसर आएगा E. मराठा कमांडर. Number 4 लॉर्ड वेस्ले आएगा A. फादर ऑफ सिस्टम ऑफ सब्सिडरी अलायंस. अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर है और इवेंट है, वो भी मैच द फॉलोइंग ही है. ऑप्शन ए के बता देती हूँ. 1802, 1853, 1855, 1857. बी के ऑप्शन है डेलहाउसी केम टू इंडिया. फर्स्ट फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल वॉज फॉट. डेलहाउसी फ्रेम लॉ फॉर विडो रीमैरेज. D. Railway between Mumbai and Thana started. E. Lord Wesley introduced system of subsidiary alliance. तो 1802 का आएगा नंबर E. Lord Wesley introduced system of subsidiary alliance. Number 2 1853 का आएगा D. Railway between Mumbai and Thane start. नंबर 1855 सी आएगा, डेलहाउसी फ्रेमलो फॉर विडो रीमैरिज। नंबर 4 1857 का आएगा, बी फर्स्ट फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल वॉज फॉट। अभी नेक्स्ट प्लान और प्लानर है जो मैं इस फॉलोइंग में आपको करवा रही हूँ, जो आपको करना है ए के ऑप्शन, बी के पहले बी और ए के ऑप्शन पहले ए के बता देती हूँ। नंबर 1 सिस्टम सब्सिडरी अलायंस, नंबर 2 एनेक्शन पॉलिसी, नंबर 3 फाउंडर ऑफ रूल इन पंजाब, नंबर 4 प्रिवेंटेड सती प्रथा। बी के ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड हार्डिंग्स, लॉर्ड विलियम पेंटिक, भूला सी लॉर्ड वेंसले, डी लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी एंड लॉर्ड मैकॉले। सिस्टम ऑफ सब्सिडरी अलायंस का आएगा सी, लॉर्ड वेंसले। नंबर 2 एनेक्शन पॉलिसी का आएगा डी, लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी। नंबर 3 फाउंडर ऑफ रूल इन पंजाब, तो आंसर आएगा ए, लॉर्ड हार्डिंग्स। नंबर 4 प्रिवेंटेड सती प्रथा, तो आंसर आएगा बी, लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक। ये आपके क्या हो गए, मैं द फॉलोइंग हो गया, शॉर्ट आंसर करवा दिए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करवाऊंगी। ये आपका रिवीजन चैप्टर है, ये क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है। थैंक यू।